Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our kitchen, where today we have something truly special for you. If you're looking to impress your family or simply treat yourself to a delightful meal, you're in the right place. Today, we're whipping up a delicious recipe that's not only easy to make, but also bursting with flavor. We'll be preparing a vibrant, hearty vegetable stir-fry that's perfect for any occasion. It's colorful, nutritious, and can be customized to suit your taste. Let's dive into the ingredients. You'll need a mix of your favorite vegetables, think bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Feel free to add in some carrots or zucchini for extra crunch. We'll also use garlic and ginger to bring a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to our dish. Now, for the sauce. We'll create a simple yet delicious blend of soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of honey for sweetness. This combination will elevate our stir-fry to a whole new level. As we cook, remember to keep the heat high and stir frequently. This will help retain the vibrant colors and crisp textures of the vegetables. In just a few minutes, you'll have a beautiful, steaming dish ready to serve. And there you have it, a quick, healthy, and utterly satisfying meal that's sure to please everyone at the table. Don't forget to share your creations with us. We love seeing how you put your own spin on our recipes. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider following us for more delicious ideas and culinary inspiration. Happy cooking, and see you next time.